So this is 1 cup of Baker's Basic. And I think the recipe is perfect. It might need a little tweaking. I'm going to try to make it one more time before I give out the recipe. Taste it.
I have to get it all over.
Sorry guys, we don't care about germs in our house. How do you want to taste it?
Yeah.
It tastes just like a chocolate chip cookie. I'm not even
Chewy gooey, like perfect. This was 15 minutes.
They're still hot, so they're like...
Yeah, they're still hot.
Hattie, watch
they're
your
really
fingers.
breakable.
Don't touch that pan. It's hot.
Is it hot?
Gosh, Mom.
It's hot. Try it now.
We have a try.
Hattie, do
I
you
want to
like
try
it?
the middle. I want to try the middle.
Is it yum?
I want to try some with.
I love
Oh, I dropped the chocolate chips. I'm sorry. Does it taste like, what does it taste like, Jake?
Like a nut. And it tastes like an actual chocolate chip cookie.
Like you can't tell that it's mom's chocolate chip cookie?
Good.
Have another bite.
Wait.
Mom, Adeline wants to try.
Adeline, you want to try my cookie?
That tastes exactly like a chocolate chip cookie. Exactly.
Adeline,
Test it.
look at her. She's got tattoos. Adeline, it's yummy. Chocolate. Candy.
All right, my turn.
Your turn? Okay.
AJ, look what Adeline wrote. She wrote this.
Here, Mom.
And she wrote this for me and this.
Be honest, what do you
It
think?
tastes like a cotton candy. I just can't think
It's good.
which one.
What?
It's really good.
Oh my gosh, I
Yeah, I
know.
saw
I
that.
swear it tastes like a real chocolate chip cookie.
I saw that.
I just want to perfect the recipe just a teeny bit to make it a little bit less crumbly. But the taste is there and the texture is there.
Right
Grace,
now, they're still hot. So it's
yeah, and they're still hot. It might not be like that when it gets. You want to taste it? No.
Oh.
I want a full
How do you like it, Mom?
They're good.
Yummy.
I
Here, you
want
want
a
another
chocolate
bite?
chip cookie.
Okay.
I want a full chocolate chip cookie. Actually,
Oh, hot.
I know it's hot. Here,
I
want
want a
another
full
bite?
chocolate chip cookie. Here.
That's really good.
I'm telling you, they're perfect. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. I prayed for chocolate chips. God gave them to me. And I prayed for how to make chocolate chip cookies, and God gave that to me on Mother's Day. So I will give you guys the recipe. Yeah, see, they're hardening and they're getting cool off, and they're easy to come out now.
Except for when they get off.
Oh my gosh, that was good tomorrow.
That
Oh my gosh.
Good.
delicioso.
You're recording me.
Hot.
Oh, it's hot.
Okay.
Oh. Gosh, I keep dropping.
Grandpa's a face
Chocolate
test.
chip cookie.
Oh my goodness.
What do you think, Jen? What do you think?
Is it good?
I mean, the texture is like,
A little bit off?
well, yeah, it's just like it's I almost wouldn't call it a cookie.
'Cause it's
not.
hot.
It's not hard
It's a
enough.
little bit cakey.
It's hot.
Yeah.
You need to cool
That's
it.
what I think.
Yeah,
I
it's
think
I
it
mean,
needs
it,
to cool
it,
off.
Yeah.
tastes,
Cool off.
it tastes good.
Yeah, it's good.
Tastes good,
It
but
tastes just like a chocolate chip cookie.
yeah.
Yeah.
I
And
think
when it
that
dries
just
up-
cools.
And when it gets cooler, it's gonna harden a little bit and be more of a cookie thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think you should let it harden.
No.
I'll let it cool. I'm gonna put it over here and
Look
let
at
it
that
cool.
cute girl. Look at that